Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Lauben low sugar rice cooker 1580. It's a rice cooker with low sugar function. Capacity is 1.5 liter. We have a timer function, a key warm function, the inner container is dishwasher-safe, and a non-stick surface. Yeah, multi-purpose premium rice cooker with a low sugar function, baby! Using special cooking technology to separate out the carbohydrates. With this handy kitchen aid, we will get perfect results with all types of rice. And the 6 modes mean we can quickly create healthy and tasty meals from other ingredients. With the Lauben rice cooker, we will be able to prepare legumes, soups, or even oatmeal without turning on the stove. That's cool. That does not only looks cool, it is cool too. 1.5 liter container with a non-stick surface, which means that the rice and other ingredients will never stick and require no added fat. A big advantage is the timer and the keep warm function, which allows us to prepare food in advance or keep it warm for several hours. And it's really easy to use and easy to clean. Everything can be set on the digital display where we can track the cooking progress. It is also easy to maintain as the container can be washed in the dishwasher, so we won't have to spend the whole afternoon in the kitchen. And we have an awesome Red Dot Design Award here on that product. The rice cooker is beautiful designed, winning 2 prestigious awards. The Lauben low sugar rice cooker is the ideal kitchen aid if we want perfect results on our plate without spending hours at the stove. And multifunction. We get imperfectly cooked rice that's soft and just right isn't easy. With the Lauben rice cooker, we can prepare any type of rice al dente at the touch of a button. The rice cooker has 6 smart functions to cook other ingredients too. We can prepare delicious soups, fluffy oatmeal, or legumes rich in protein. And of course, there is a reheating function. We just select the decide mode on the display and wait for the perfect results. Or we can of course make other things while this cooker makes the job. Leave low sugar rice cooker 1580 rice with up to 30% lower carbohydrates content. Leave low sugar rice cooker is a premium multi-purpose rice cooker here with low sugar, where carbohydrates are separated thanks to the special cooking technology. With this helper, we bring all rice to a perfection, and thanks to the 6 adjustable modes, we can quickly prepare healthy and delicious dishes from other ingredients. With the rice cooker here, we can prepare legume soups or about oatmeal without having to turn on the stove. The rice cooker consists of a container with a 1.5 liter volume with non-stick coating. The preparation of the dishes requires no additional fat, and still, rice or other ingredients never stick. A great advantage are the timer and the keep warm function, which allows us to prepare food in advance or on the counter to keep warm for several hours, while the dish always remains flawless. The operation is done by everyone. All settings are done on the digital display where the cooking process can be tracked. Maintenance is very easy. The container can be rinsed in the dishwasher, and we don't have to spend the whole afternoon in the kitchen. The finishing touch is very successfully designed, which has been awarded 2 prestige prizes. This rice cooker is an ideal KitchenAid special for us if we always have a perfect result. And the low sugar rice cooker will cover our bag in the kitchen. Thanks to the demo function, the ready to serve food and can wait for our immediately after we arrival at home. The visitor reports delay and we want to put the food on the table? No problem, baby. With the keep warm function, we can keep the rice warm for several hours without overboiling and losing its perfect taste or structure. And dependence of the healthy lifestyle, especially learn the low sugar function of this rice cooker. This special technology automatically separates the excess sugar from the starch contained in the rice during the cooking process. This excess fast sugar are repaired from the rice during the cooking process and converted it into gelatin inside the lid. If we often eat in a hurry and still want to eat healthier, this low sugar rice cooker is the right helper for us. Nutritional carbohydrates remain in the rice, and excess sugar land in the waste instead of on our menu. With the right consumption of carbohydrates, we can prevent the increased sugar level in the blood and obesity, as well as positively affect the function of our body. In addition, preparing our favorite dish requires no additional fat thanks to the non-stick coating. And it's really easy. We are plug it in. It works from 220 volt up to 240 volt, 50 or 60 Hz. The power rating is 500 watt. The heating method is a heating plate. The cross weight is 3 kilogram. The netto weight 2.1. The product size is 222 to 222 to 220 millimeter. The capacity is 1.5 liter. The serving size is up to 3 up to 4 people. And quick cook. For example, the maximum amount of boiled rice that this device can hold is 4 cups of rice. It is recommended that the ratio of rice to water be 1 cup of rice to 1.1 cup of water. The total amount of rice and water should not exceed the maximum amount of boiled rice. The ratio of the rice to the water can be adjusted according to individual preferences. Then we press the function button to select quick cook function. And then we push start. And after approximately a maximum of 35 minutes, your rice will be ready. Then we have another program, slow cook. Here it's the same, 4 cups maximum, and we press the function to slow cook. Then we start with that same button, and the maximum cooking time is 35 up to 45 minutes for slow cooking. Then we have clay pot rice. We press the function button again to clay pot rice. The set time of 70 minutes is shown. There is no need to set it again, okay? We just press the start button and the cooker will take the job. Porridge. We press the function button up to porridge. The default time is 1 hour. To start the process, we have to push start. 5 seconds later, it will be on the road to a nice porridge. Then we have this sugar mode. We put the inner basket into the cooking pot. We add the rice, maximum of 2 cups, okay, to the inner basket and pour over water so that the water level is approximately 3 millimeters above the rice. We cover with the inner lid. We press the desugar button and the default cooking time is 60 minutes. Job's done. And we can make soups in it, in the soup function. The default cooking time is 2 hours, okay? We push again, and after this, we have an awesome, delicious soup ready for eat. Delicious. Then we have the reheating function. The default time is 25 minutes, and it will reheat our food. And then, of course, we have a preset button. This preset button, we can set the time we want that the rice to be ready. The maximum time is 24 hours, okay? We push on it, and then we preset it. That it is, the sugar preset, start function, and warm and cancel button. That's all. And then we can make an awesome and delicious rice with that awesome machine. This is the Lauben low sugar rice cooker 1580. It's a rice cooker with low sugar function. The capacity is up to 1.5 liter. Timer function, a keep warm function. And in a container is dishwasher safe. And we have a non-stick surface. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.